In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store notes in Asana. We'll set up a dedicated notes hub in just a few clicks and let Asana's AI create the basic structure for us. So your thoughts, meeting takeaways, and research snippets stay organized and easy to find. Start by opening Asana and heading to the home view. Home is a clean launchpad and helps ensure you're in the right workspace or team before you create anything new. If you work across multiple spaces, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct one so your notes live with the right collaborators. On the left-hand sidebar, click Projects. This is where all organized work lives, and it's exactly where a notes hub belongs. Treating notes as a project makes them searchable, shareable, and consistent over time, which is much easier than scattering ideas across various tasks or messages. Next, click New Project. This begins the setup flow. Creating notes as a project gives you a flexible container with sections, tasks, and fields you can adapt as your note-taking habits evolve. From the creation options, choose Create with AI. Asana's AI can draft an initial framework, often suggesting sections and task templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. If you don't see this option, your planner permissions may not include it, but when it's available, it can save a lot of time. In the prompt field type, create a notes management. Keep it short and straightforward. That phrase is enough to signal you want a general purpose notes project. If you prefer, you can add a brief description to steer it toward meeting notes, research, or personal ideas, but the simple prompt works well as a starting point you can refine later. Now, wait for it to load. You'll see Asana assembling the project in the background. Give it a moment to finish so it can include any recommended sections or fields. Avoid navigating away during this process to ensure everything generates correctly. When the preview is ready, click Go to Project. You'll land in your newly created Notes project where the layout is prepared for quick capture. In this setup, each note can be a task, which means you can add rich text in the description, attach files, mention teammates, and keep clarifying comments in one place. Sections help you group ideas by topic or status, and custom fields can add useful context like source, priority, or category. Because everything lives in a single project, Asana's search makes it easy to retrieve notes by keyword later. That's it. You started from home, opened projects, created a new project, used Create with AI, entered Create a Notes Management, waited for it to load, and then opened the project. You now have a centralized, structured space to store notes in Asana, ready for collaboration and future reference.